Hey everybody, it's Dusty with Dusty Beards. I've got some great news. We've got new things coming for you. Stay tuned. I'll fill you in. All right, so first things first, let's get into this. Live Bearded has done it. They've changed the game. They've rebranded successfully. They've changed their packaging. They've changed their labels. They've changed their formulas. They've got the same scents, but it's going to be wicked. I've got a review coming up next week. I've got a new scent coming. I'm going to let you guys know how it is. I'm sure it's going to blow what they had before out of the water, and what they had before was amazing in itself. So with that being said, you guys need to go check out their products. That you need to go check out what they've got. Now, some things are out of stock, so your bigger bundles might not be available, but get your smaller ones. Get the stuff you need to take care of your beard. Ladies, tell your men to get what they need to take care of their beard. You've got to do this. So why do I push this so hard? Your beard is just as important as the rest of your body. It carries germs. They've done studies on it. I'll let you guys do your own research on that. They say that if you don't keep it clean, if you don't wash it on a regular basis, you could have just as much as feces, the same germs that feces carry in your beard. So you need to get a good wash. You need to wash it. And after you wash it, you need to moisturize it. You need to moisturize the skin underneath it. So that's where the oil comes into play. I've got a video before this one that tells you what the oil is for. It's not to make your beard look pretty. That's not what it's made for. It's made to keep your skin under your beard healthy, because as the hair grows, it pulls the oils away from your skin. So hence you get the itch and the dryness and the flaking, and it comes with everybody. Everybody that grows a beard goes through that phase. Since I've been using their product, I have not had any itch. I have not had any flaking, and I've got abnormally dry skin as it is anyways. So then you need to get a butter, or what some people call a balm. They call it a butter. I call it butter because it's a shea butter base. You need to get that to moisturize your beard, the actual hair. Keeps it soft, keeps it touchable. You don't want to go kissing on your lady. Ladies, you don't want a man kissing on you with a dry, hard beard. It will irritate your skin. You don't want to be around it. So again, they've reformulated everything. They've got a scent-free shea butter for their butter. So now you get more of the scent that you're supposed to get instead of that shea butter and the scent. They've gone with higher quality oils for the oil. They've made their beard wash more latherable. It'll clean better. So you need to go get what you need to get. So I'm going to help you out. On the link below, click the link, use my promo code at checkout and get your 10% off. It's DustyBeards10. Fill your cart up. After $35, shipping is free. Get everything you need. Everything. Combs, brushes, oil, wash. If you've got a long mustache, get the wax if they've got it in stock. Get what you need. It will be worth it. I promise it'll be worth it. So again, they've changed the game. I need you guys to go check it out. I've got a review coming up in a few days. It's not that hard. It's not that expensive to take care of your beard. So go get what you need. Use my promo code again, DustyBeards10. It'll be down below. Use your product, take care of your beard. You'll enjoy it. Leave comments, let me know how it's going. Please subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Take the time to take the information in that I'm giving you. It'll be worth it. I promise you it'll be worth it. So with that being said, everybody stay safe, stay healthy, keep your beards healthy, and as always, live bearded.